everyone, Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. If you're looking for a recipe to knock the socks off all those who think vegan food sucks, let's get into a Snickers cheesecake. My baked vegan cheesecake recipes are unmatched, so don't even bother looking anywhere else. You have just hit the jackpot, my friend. Fudge brownie base, peanut caramel layer, New York style cheesecake, and chocolate ganache to top it all off. I am using my 100-hour fudge brownie recipe for the base of this cheesecake because it's so freaking delicious, but don't worry, it doesn't really take 100 hours to make. That was just a clickbait title by a channel who will remain anonymous. Mine only takes an hour. But of course, if you want to be a weirdo, you can use any recipe for brownie that you prefer, then meet me back here for the cheesecake part. My cheesecake recipe is not only amazing, but it is so easy because you literally throw everything into a food processor and whiz it up smooth. All the recipe ingredients for these recipes with full explanation and more is at my website at gretchensveganbakery.com. Next, I had a bit of a caramel debacle. I kind of wanted to go the date caramel route this time, but the recipe that I found online came out really dark compared to what it looked like on her blog post, so I'm not sure what was the deal there. So although it tastes amazing and shockingly like caramel, even though it's made from dates, I just wasn't digging that dark color. So then I proceeded to make another recipe called nut butter caramel, which on a closer look is merely peanut butter, coconut oil, and maple syrup. The last time I checked, that is not considered a caramel. You keto people sure are something else. But then again, neither is the one that I made from the dates, so let me just moonwalk my butt out of this one. Alright, I decided to mix both of those recipes together, and voila! I'm the winner! Date nut caramel was born. Or sauce. Let's just call it sauce. Alright, set that nightmare aside and let's get to the layering of this cheesecake so that we can bake it. I've got my slightly underbaked brownie base still in the pan. A layer of that super dark date caramel goes on top of that, and then a layer of roasted peanuts. Mine were unsalted, but on retrospect, I'm not so sure I would hate the salted variety here. I kind of think that might be good. You decide. Now for the cheesecake batter, and then more of that super dark date caramel for a swirl that turned out to be kind of a dud after it was baked. Like, you never even would have known that I did that. It sort of got lost in the batter. But I get an A for effort. So yeah, bake it, cool it, and then slap it up, flip it, rub it down. Vegan cheesecakes practically unmold themselves, but if you have a blowtorch, it is way more fun. Alright, now to snicker this bad boy up, a hefty slathering of chocolate ganache on top, and some of the straight up peanut butter sauce too. Just drizzle it up. And now my date nut concoction. Load up the edges with chopped peanuts so no one could ever mistake this cheesecake as something other than a Snickers cheesecake. Brownies, cheesecake, peanut caramel, and more chocolate. And this is the best cheesecake I have made so far. Go grab the recipe and make it. You will be hating me and thanking me all at once. I literally ate a giant piece of this for breakfast this morning. Alright everyone, thanks for checking out my video. Give it a like, a comment below, and also subscribe here to my channel for more of the best vegan bakes coming at you, only from Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. And until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.